Hello everyone, welcome to Candere's YouTube channel. We all love wearing jewelry and who doesn't? पर आपकी फेवरेट ज्वेलरी का ख्याल रखना उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना ज्वेलरी खरीदना. And guess what? Taking care of your jewelry yourself is much easier than you think. So, let's start with the basics. अगर आप ज्वेलरी रोज पहनते हो, तो it's important to wash it from time to time. Start by soaking your jewelry in lukewarm water. You can add mild detergent or liquid soap to it. Then use a soft bristle toothbrush to clean it. And do make sure कि आप bleach का use ना करें. Make sure to store your jewelry pieces in the jewelry box it came in. If you have misplaced the box, you can store it lined with cotton or velvet fabric separated from other jewelry to avoid scratches and retain its shine. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and share, and also comment down some tips and tricks that have worked for you.